Now every square foot is going to be planted with something different. That is one of the main advantages of square foot gardening. How many fit in a square foot?
It depends obviously on the size of the plant.
That's true, and most people don't think of that. And square foot gardening teaches you to think of the mature plant, not the little seeds you're putting in. Because what's traditional single row gardening? A whole packet of seeds sprinkled down, right? Too many seeds. Now there's 4 different sizes for square foot gardening. It's small, medium, large, and extra large, just like shirt sizes. Extra large would be 1 per square foot. Now in a square foot, where would that go?
Right in the middle.
Stick your finger in there and show us, that's it. That's where you put it. No measurements, eh? We have the extra large one. Large would be 4 per square foot. The way you get 4 is you divide this square up into 4 parts. So you're going to take a finger and go zip, zap. You've just divided this up into 4 parts. Right in the middle goes 4 plants. And you can put in seeds or transplants. For medium plants, that would be, let's see, bush beans. That's when they're 4 inches apart, or beets. And you're going to divide it up and you're going to have 9 spaces.
Okay.
Now, there's a couple ways to do that. And one is just take 1 finger and divide it in thirds. And people said, well, I'm not sure how much a third is. Then what you do, and I learned this down in Texas.
Okay.
You know the sign of the football team from Texas, the Texas Aggies? Hook 'em horns.
Did I get that right? Oh, okay.
Hook 'em
Sorry,
horns.
I'm from Boston. I'm not from Texas. I went like this.
Here's hook 'em horns, and you just divide it down this way and then this way. Now, if your fingers aren't wide enough for that, you take these 2 fingers. How's that?
Okay.
You have small hands compared to mine, so you need these 2 fingers just to divide like that. And now you have 9 perfect spaces. They're 4 inches apart, and you don't have to do a measurement. Now we're going to do small plants, and that would be when they're only 3 inches apart. Radishes, carrots, onions. First you do the zip zap, zip, zap. Okay. Now you take 2 fingers, the distance your eyes are apart. A little wider. All right. Now you go right in there and you go bing, 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 bing. Go ahead on your side. Bing, bing. You have to say it too.
Oh, bing, bing.
There you go. Now there's 16 perfect spaces. Wasn't that easy?
That was easy.
That's all there is to square foot gardening.